So, we have a non-ABS BMW E28 that the wheel bearing started failing. So we ordered a replacement, this GSP hub assembly, but it has an ABS ring. So you may wonder, how do you remove this? Because it's not as easy as it may look. It's press fit on there. So, we're going to show you how to remove it quite easily.
Many people say that you have to use a pulley puller or a socket or other things. And if you don't have that, all you need is a pair of lockjaw pliers, not vice grips, but just a pair of pliers that has this type of angle in it, and so you can adjust the length. But you don't really need any of the length, because the way we're going to show you how to remove the ring is very simple compared to the way other people online have explained it.
So, I'm just going to zoom in toward the hub and begin. Another thing you'll probably need is some kind of short socket, like this. We have one that has a bit at the end, but you may not necessarily need that. You could use something like this.
And we might end up using both as the ring gets pushed off of the hub assembly.
Alright, so Owen will show you how to do it.
So you just need to have a nice sturdy work table. Sturdy.
This isn't a very sturdy table, to be honest.
But you just need a nice sturdy table or work surface, and you put the socket on or close to the flat part of the hub assembly.
We find that it works fine putting it inside the hub thread.
Yeah, we just found that this particular fitting worked. So you just take the pliers and wedge it in between the ring and the socket, and then you just hold both sides and just pry it up. And if you can't pry it up anymore, you just continue to a different side, and then you just go along the whole outer edge until you don't have much more space to go. And then when you get off as much with the little socket, you can go to the bigger socket.
And this may be more difficult to keep it in place.
Oh.
Yeah, no, that's not going to work.
Not this one? Yeah. Just experiment with it. You just need leverage. You don't need pressure or any specific tool. Just a little bit of elbow grease, some persuasion.
It's close now. Try to do it at the edge. That's not what I mean.
At the edge?
Yeah, like over here. Pry from it over here.
Oh, like this?
No, turn it like that and then pry from it at the edge so that you can go more.
I don't know if that was the issue, but okay. You can get it, trust me.
Just a little bit more.
What did we do before?
Okay, it needs to come up more over here.
Okay.
There it goes.
There we go. Granted, the ring will be destroyed, but if you don't have ABS...
Not really, I mean...
Well...
The edge...
yeah, not really.
The edges in some places will be pretty bent up.
You wouldn't want to use this for a track car.
Correct.
If you actually wanted ABS.
So But this is for a non-ABS car, so you wouldn't need this.
Yeah, if you are taking it off, I wouldn't swap this onto another car.
No.
So, well, that was it.
Now this can go on your non-ABS car.
And we did test fit it, and this did go straight onto our car.
Yep.
And worked just fine.
Yeah.
And since the ring is made out of aluminum, or a alloy of aluminum, and the housing is steel or iron, then prying on it with something will only damage the ring and not the hub. And that's why I did it, because I knew it wouldn't damage the most important part, which is the hub.
Yep. So yeah, hope you find this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.